A purl stitch is basically a backwards knit stitch. If you just bring your right needle through the front of this loop, then hold on to both of your needles with your left hand, pick up your working yarn, wrap it around your front needle from right to left, keep hold of your working yarn and pick your right needle back up. You can see where we have this wrapped around our needle. We need to make sure it stays there as we slide the needle down, push it backwards with our loop still on it, and then we can slide this loop off our needle. And that's a purl stitch done. Let's do another purl stitch. So bring your needle through the front of the loop, pick up your working yarn, bring it around that needle, push your needle down and backwards, and then bring that stitch off the end of your needle. When going from doing a purl stitch to doing a knit stitch, your working yarn will be in the front, but you need it in the back for a knit stitch. So you can just bring it over to the back of your work. If going from a knit stitch to a purl stitch, just bring your working yarn over to the front, and then you can do a purl stitch as usual.